Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a GTN, Global Trade Identification Number, in Shopify. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do here is go to shopify.com and log into your account. Open up your store. On the left panel, you should be able to see options like Home, Orders, Products, and Customers. Click on the Products section. Now, you should be able to see all the products you have in your account. I don't have any, that's why it's showing like this. Now I will just click on Add Product. Here, we're going to be able to see some details like the title, description, and any media. But the most important section here is going to be the inventory section. Now, as you can see, we have the SQ or barcode. Just enable it, and these options will show up, which includes ISPN, UPC, GTN, which is what we're looking for. Now, in this case, make sure to enter your GTN in this section here. Once you've done that, go to the top right here and make sure to save it. Now, if you don't see the Save button at the top right here, it's going to be at the very bottom on the right side. Just scroll down from here and click on Save. Now, once you've done that, you've successfully added a GTN into your Shopify page. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.